in trying to tackle all this, we'll go down different roads and create models, ways to look at stuff. And again, the model gets you oriented, makes some distinctions. See? In the model, we make distinctions. In other words, you grasp some stuff. But then you have to go past the model. Again, what's true? So you say, well, the model it seems valid. But then again, if I stand up, see, he's got to zoom back. It's messing with him. Okay. If it's even trickier than that, because I don't know if I should share this with you. Maybe it's what the hell. A model is never true. You understand, in and of itself. See, it represents something, and hopefully it represents something as accurately as possible, or in some way that's useful for you to grasp something. You know what I'm saying? Like I tell this story, I'm afraid maybe I already get somewhere else in this, but when I was in university and I was in a chemistry class, maybe it was a chemistry class, I don't know. And for my dynamics, something, I don't know. Anyway, and I was, looking at the models of molecules. And in those days, because I'm really old, okay? In those days, models, I don't know if they're different. Maybe they got holograms now. But in those days, you see, a model of a molecule was a bunch of sticks with balls on the end. And the balls were like different sizes and different colors, you see? And so you had a glucose molecule there. So you go, oh, I see all the elements to a glucose molecule, or whatever. See, and you could tell the difference between that and, water. It's a smaller molecule. Okay, anyway. Yeah? Yeah. Now maybe they've improved that, But in any case, I was sitting there one day, I was looking at these, models, and it suddenly struck me because, I also learned about molecules and atoms and stuff and the way it's supposed to actually be. And it suddenly hit me. It's not at all like the model. I mean, there's no resemblance, all right, between the reality of a molecule and atoms and stuff whizzing around, and particles and stuff, right, and this thing on sticks. Okay, it's not the same at all. I mean, at all. Ludicrously not the same, right? I mean, the modern accepted theories of molecules and atoms, yes? Yeah. He's not like that. See? And I was like, it's not a molecule, And I felt so stupid, like everybody probably knows this. I just figured it out, I must be slow. Oh my God. I've been relating to it as if it somehow is representing a molecule. It doesn't even come close. The only thing it does is, I can tell the difference between a glucose model and a water model or something, you see? It's like, oh, okay, cool. And I can pass the test. But the reality is not that. So in any case, you following what I'm saying about models? It's always the case. Now, hopefully ours are a little bit better than balls on sticks, I hope, okay? Because we're going to be talking about your experience, you see, your perceptions. So you take it in as that. But again, you continue to question, yes, and what's true?
Hi, I'm Brendan Lee, and I've been studying with Peter Ralston for 20 years. I really want you to know that no matter how many videos you watch or books you read, it pales in comparison to the power of the live workshops that we host here at the center or on Zoom. If you want to get serious and do work that makes a real difference, please Check the links in the description to learn more. Thank you.